Hi guys. So one of the things I love very much are food that comes together in one pot without stress, without any fuss. So today I decided to show you how to make noodles in one pot. So let's call it one pot noodles. So for that, it's just very simple. You get started with the ingredients you need. You cut it up. So you cut up your onions, you cut up your peppers, you cut up your tomatoes, and you get your vegetables ready. So these days we are all about quick meals that are easy to make, and sometimes you just get so tired of cooking, you just want to throw something together in a pot and just bring it out for the family to eat. And noodles is one of those very easy and quick meals that you can make for the family. So the beauty of one pot noodles lies in its simplicity. You just saute your onions, you add your ingredients, your vegetables, followed by peppers and spices. And then once you got the flavors going, you add in your noodles, the right amount of water, and then you simmer it until it's done. So basically, as you combine all the ingredients, the aroma that fills the kitchen is just incredible. Okay, and the food is so comforting and so satisfying. It's really nice and quick to make. So basically, in a pot you go in with oil, and then you saute your onions and your sausages. You're going to fry this for a little while, and then you go in with your tomatoes, bell peppers, and scotch bonnet peppers. So once they're cooked for a little while, you go in with your mixed veggies. I'm using frozen mixed veggies here. So if you have the fresh one, you just cut it up and then you put it in the meal. Then you go in with your seasoning. So I'm using the noodle spices, and I also added some curry just to give it that beautiful flavor and taste. Then I also went in with a little bit of tomato puree because I just wanted it to have a little bit of color. Give that a stir, and now you're just going to cook it for a bit, and then you're gonna add some water to it. Then you're going to let this boil for a while, and then you're going to add your noodles. It's just one pot, so everything just goes in the pot at the same time, no problem. Just cook it there. It's really good and very quick. So you go in with your noodles, cover it a bit to soften, and then you're going to give it a stir to bring everything together. So when you're done stirring it, you're just gonna cover and cook on a low heat, okay, so it doesn't get burnt. You cook it on a low heat until it's well done. So guys, if you're enjoying this recipe up till now, please don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Yes, okay. And I'm starting a 1 week challenge for posting. I'm going to be posting a video every day starting from today, Monday. So I'm going to be doing a 1 week challenge, so turn on your notification bell so that when I post, you'll be able to see all the new recipes coming up. So that's it guys, our 1 pot noodles is ready. Simple and ready. And now for the bonus recipe, fried eggs. What's noodles without eggs, right? So there it goes. Thank you so much for watching.